Dirty dealings, corporate battles, consumer woes. This is Evening 5. Amanah Saham Nasional, a wholly owned unit trust of Pemodelan Nasional, has declared a total income distribution of 5.75 cent per unit, amounting to a total income payout of 10.1 billion for Amanah Saham Bumiputra for FY24. Payout for the fixed price unit trust fund comprises an income distribution of 5.5 cent per unit plus a bonus of 0.25 cent per unit, benefiting 11.1 million unit holders. The payout is ASNB's highest since FY2018, when it paid 6.5 cent dividend and 0.5 cent bonus. Compared to FY2023, ASNB paid 5.25 cent per unit with a total income payout of 9.3 billion ringgit. ASNB, meanwhile, has distributed a total dividend of 196.5 billion since inception. Group Chairman Raja Tan Sri Arshad Raja Tun Uda said that this continues the strong track record of outperforming of ASNB's fixed price funds over their reference portfolio, in line with PNB's purpose to uplift the financial lives of Malaysians across generations. PNB noted that ASNB has continued to deliver sustainable and above-market returns by outperforming the benchmark of Maybank 12-month fixed deposit rate. It said that the improved performance was driven by the positive impact of PNB's asset diversification strategy and the strong Malaysian public equity market, which benefited from robust Malaysian economic growth and the strengthening of the ringgit. PNB's asset under management grew to 347 billion in 2024 from 337 billion last year. The total number of accounts increased 3.2% to 16.2 million. PNB President and Group CEO Dato' Abdul Rahman Ahmad said that the group is committed to growing savings of Malaysians by encouraging the public to save more and growing these savings by delivering sustainable market-leading returns. Amicorp Group said it would fight 1MDB's claim of more than $1 billion filed in the British Virgin Islands court. The Hong Kong headquartered corporate services firm strongly denies that it knowingly facilitated more than $7 billion or 31.43 billion ringgit in fraudulent transactions related to 1MDB. In a statement, Amicorp said that it would defend itself vigorously against the allegations and will dispute the relief sought. The statement follows legal claims filed by 1MDB and its subsidiaries in the BVI, alleging that Amicorp, through its 8 related entities, played a pivotal role in facilitating the laundering of misappropriated funds from the sovereign fund between 2009 and 2014. In the suits filed on December 20th, the claimants accused Amicorp of fraudulent trading, dishonest assistance in breaches of fiduciary duty, and conspiracy to commit unlawful acts. According to Amicorp, it has not been the subject of any investigations or accused of criminal offences in any jurisdictions and has not been party to any civil suits. The company also highlighted its cooperation with the Singaporean and Swiss governmental agencies and criminal prosecutors, and through the Swiss prosecutor, the Malaysian prosecutor, based on mutual assistance in criminal matters. Prolintas Infra Business Trust said it has settled its dispute with KL Kuala Selangor Expressway over a cost-sharing agreement for an undisclosed amount. In a BOS filing, the trust said a consent order has been recorded in court to formalise the settlement, so as such the matter has been resolved. The filing did not disclose the details of the settlement arrangement. Prolintas said the settlement will not have any material implications, reiterating that its major unit holder, Project Lintasan Kota Holdings, has agreed to indemnify trustee manager Prolintas managers against any losses incurred from the arbitration case. The Edge reported on Monday that Lata, previously known as Loboraya Asam Jawa Taman Rimba, had filed a lawsuit in the High Court to enforce the arbitration award totaling 46.13 million ringgit. The dispute with Lata concerned a cost-sharing agreement involving a plan to link the Guthrie Corridor Expressway with Lata via the Kuang System Interchange and the North-South Expressway to enable vehicles on both expressways to move freely into the NSE. Bausted Heavy Industries Corp shareholders have given the nod for the fabrication and engineering company to dispose of its 51% equity stake in Contravis Advanced Devices to German defence firm Rheinmetall for 54 million ringgit. The disposal of the littoral combat ship subcontractor was approved by shareholders during an EGM held on Tuesday, said BHIC. A total of 137 shareholders holding 99.56% of voting shares approved of the deal, as opposed to 47 shareholders holding 0.44% of voting shares. The disposal will result in a loss of 14.82 million to BHIC, which has already been recognised in its September quarter. BHIC CEO Feroz Razi Ramli said the sale will further strengthen the group's financials following the 417 million debt settlement exercise in early 2024 and facilitate the strategic realignment of its business moving forward. Bausted Holdings Group CEO Izzadin Daud said the disposal allows BHIC to pursue its objective of becoming the preferred strategic partner in defence and security. BHIC is 65% owned by Bausted. Malaysia's economy sustained strong growth in the first three quarters of 2024, expanding by 5.2% according to the Department of Statistics Malaysia. Chief Statistician Datuk Seri Dr. Muhammad Uzair Maidin said the growth signifies a notable improvement from the 3.8% growth recorded during the same period in 2023. He said that the robust performance reflects continued resilience despite global uncertainties and is seen as a positive sign for the country's economic stability. Hence, he says Malaysia's economy is poised for steady development as 2024 progresses. He added that Malaysia's Industrial Production Index posted 2.1% year-on-year growth in October. Meanwhile, the country's trade performance remained steady in October, with total trade growing by 2.1% year-on-year to reach 244.3 billion ringgit. Exports saw a modest rise of 1.6%, totaling 128.1 billion, while imports grew by 2.6% to 116.1 billion ringgit. On the labour market, Muhammad Uzair emphasised the Malaysia's labour market continued its positive momentum in the workforce growth as it expanded by 1.7%, rising to 17.27 million from 16.97 million in October 2023, pushing the labour force participation rate up to 70.5%. Employment also saw a boost with a 1.9% increase to 16.72 million.